morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, wherever you are in any part of the world. It's great to be, on our daily 30-minute book reading on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. My name is Henry Onowale. I'm an AI expert, an AI ethics expert, a responsible AI expert, an AI governance expert, and as well as an AI strategy. Thank you for joining our 30-minute book reading on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. For those that are joining us for the first time, we engage in a daily exercise where we spend 30 minutes of our time to go through some of the selected books with major emphasis on AI governance, AI ethics, and also responsible AI. For this year, we selected 4 books. Already, we've completed 2 of those books. The first one is AI Governance, a Primer, and the author is Edward Aden. And the second one is also AI Governance, Applying AI Principles, AI Policy and Ethics to Principle and Assessment. And the author is Dr. Daryl J. Carlton. And right now we're reading a book which is more like an official guide for prepping for AI Governance Professional Certification, which is AIGP. Then there's a certification that is coordinated by International Association of Privacy Professionals. Then that certification is called Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. And the author of this book is Nicole Joy Elmgart. And just for FYI, this study guide is an unofficial study guide. Yeah, it is not a study guide that has been approved by the association itself. But this person, Elmgart Joy, is a member of International Association of Privacy Professionals. Part of our contribution to help people gain this knowledge and have this certification in their bag. Out of that necessity, she decided to create, to launch a quick book that people can utilize to prep for the AI certification, which is AI governance, AIGP, AI governance professional. Then, currently, we're in page 64. Yeah, we've learned a lot. From this daily book reading, and today we'll be looking at page 65. Okay, let's get it started. Please, if you are just joining, share this live with your friends. Share it on all your active social media platforms so that we can have others also be a part of this 30-minute book reading on artificial intelligence. During this 30 minutes, it helps us to gain, grow, and expand our knowledge and understanding of artificial intelligence, and also how to embrace AI from an ethical perspective, from an ethical approach, from a safety approach, to ensure that our use of artificial intelligence do not become a threat to us, or do not become a monster that is taking something from us without our consent. I said this in most of our lives. I said a lot of AI technology manufacturers, they've developed AI technology on the App Store. And people go on Apple Store, they go on Google Store to download these apps without reading the data handling processes. Then that is why I recommend that before you download any application on your phone, make sure that you go through their data handling processes. Are they using your data? Are they keeping your data? These are necessary questions that you need to ask. It has been, a lot of research has been going out that DeepSeek is actually using people's data at the back end, that those data are being sent to China. Yeah, there's a lot of evidences I've been seeing on Instagram, and that is why you need to be very, very careful when it comes to downloading AI application on your phone. And these are some of the things you are learning on this 13-book reading that enlighten us on how to safeguard ourselves from AI manufacturers who tend to use our data without our consent. Okay, let's get started for today. Today's topic is implementing responsible AI governance and risk management. In this chapter, the focus shifts to implementing AI governance and risk management. It discusses the framework and processes required to maintain AI system compliance and safety. You will learn about risk management, risk mitigation, and various roles involved in AI governance. The chapter is organized according to the 6 core competencies of Domain 6, with KPI providing measurable indicators of success in each section. Domain 6 core competency: ensure interoperability of AI, 1. 2. Integrate AI governance principle into the company. 3. Establish an AI governance infrastructure. 4. Map, plan, and scope the AI project. 5. Test and validate the AI system during development. 6. Manage and monitor AI system after deployment. Section 6.1. Ensure interoperability of AI. This section covers the following KPI: security risks, privacy risks, business risks. Incorporating AI risk management in organization. When integrating AI into an organization, risk management teams must evaluate existing programs to ensure new AI risk strategies can be effectively incorporated. This involves understanding current risk management programs and identifying new risks of adjustment required for AI-related initiatives. The team should also develop risk management process to address unique AI-related risks. Okay, let's move to the next page. The next page is page 66. Harmonizing risk management strategy. To harmonize AI risk management, teams should 1. Review existing programs, understand current risk management efforts and how they mitigate existing risks. 2. Identify new risks. Determine if planned AI use introduces new risks that require additional measures. 3. Create new processes. Develop new risk management processes to address unique AI risks. Next, evaluate intersections. Assess where risks intersect and verify that programs work together to ensure efficiency and protection against potential harms. Risks associated with AI algorithm and models. AI algorithm and models pose various risks categorized into 3 broad areas: security and operational risks, including risks from generative AI such as hallucination, deepfake, data leakage, and adversarial attacks; privacy risks, data persistence, repurposing, spillover data, and challenges with informed consent; business risks, bias and discrimination, job replacement, vendor lock-in, and intellectual property infringement; security and operational risks from generative AI. Generative AI, such as ChatGPT, has increased security risks. Organizations must address 1. Hallucination. AI generating factually incorrect or contradictory content, deepfake, altered audio, video, or images that may misrepresent reality; data leakage, unauthorized disclosure of data to third parties common with federated learning. Training data poisoning, alter training data set leading to reduced model performance. Adversarial machine learning, manipulation of input data to cause AI system to produce incorrect results. Greedy algorithm, algorithm makes the optimal choice to make an immediate objective at a particular step or decision point without considering the long-term optimal solution. Privacy risks in AI system. AI poses significant privacy risks such as data persistence, data existing longer than the human subject who created it. Organizations should delete data when no longer needed unless there is a legal or consent-based reason to retain it. Page 67. Please, if you are just joining the live, do you mind sharing the lives with your friends, your colleagues at work, your family members, and also on all your active social media platforms so that others can be a part of this our daily 30-minute book reading on AI ethics, AI governance. As I said, this platform gives us the opportunity to grow, develop our knowledge and understanding of artificial intelligence, and it helps us to grow a mindset that helps us to approach AI from an ethical approach, from an ethical standpoint, from a safety standpoint, so that we do not sell our own personal identifying information to AI organization without our consent. And these are some of the knowledge that we are gaining from this 30-minute book reading. I know that a lot of us are scared about the word artificial intelligence. Some of you are done with your bachelor degree, some are done with college, some are done with their graduate school, and we're like, man, I don't want to learn anything new. I don't want to go through the stress of learning anything new. But engaging in this 30-minute book reading will give you the flexibility of understanding artificial intelligence, at least from the basics. And you see, we've covered 2 books already, and I'm going to share our YouTube channel where you can go and watch some of the previous books that were already completed or we have covered. Okay, let's continue. Data repurposing. Using data beyond its originally specified purpose, either intentionally or unintentionally. Spillover data. Data collected on individuals, nor targeted by data collection such as through surveillance. Challenges with informed consent. Issues with transparency, consent, and data subjects. Business risks to organization. AI introduces several business risks, including bias and discrimination, resulting from poor quality training data or inadequate algorithm tuning. Job displacement. Automation leading to job losses, not just for manual tasks, but also processes. Vendor lock-in. Dependency on AI vendors, which risks if the vendor fails or is acquired. Intellectual property infringement. Potential for AI to use or claim other intellectual property. Lack of transparency. Treating AI as a black box without documenting its logic or risks. Ethical consideration in AI development. Organizations must consider ethical implication on AI system, as AI can reflect human biases, morals, and values. Ethical consideration include racing to market. The rush to release AI can lead to unethical or potentially harmful AI system. Human bias. Human configuration can introduce biases and ethical issues into AI decision making. Aligning risk management strategies. Ensure all risk management strategies intersect to avoid gaps that could be exploited. Definitions: adversarial machine learning, bias, deepfake, greedy algorithm, and hallucination. Okay, let's move to the next page. The next page is page 68. This section covers the following KPI. Adopt a pro-innovation mindset. Ensure governance is risk-centric. Ensure planning and design is consensus-driven. Ensure team is outcome-focused. Adopt a non-prescriptive approach to allow for intelligent self-management. Ensure framework is law, industry, and technology agnostic. Given the dynamic nature of AI technology, AI governance practitioners must carefully weigh the benefits of AI applications against the potential risks and harms to users. Risk management approaches must evolve to address the unique challenges posed by AI, requiring new processes and adaptations. By thoroughly analyzing new AI technologies to identify areas of vulnerability and mapping these to possible sources of harm, organizations can develop strategies to mitigate risks and update their risk management practices. AI governance professionals are responsible for integrating AI governance principles and risk management into their organization structure. This requires a clear understanding of the stakeholder, the AI program in use or requested, the critical questions to ask, and the potential risks that AI implementation might introduce. Organizational considerations: adopt a pro-innovation mindset. Encourage innovation, but not innovation for the sake of innovation. Focus on solving business problems. Be prepared for change. Understand that AI projects may involve new products and possibilities. Ensure planning and design are consensus-driven. Involve all stakeholders in the design and planning process, ensuring input from various teams across the organization. Outcome focus. Teams should understand the desired outcome and focus on achieving it rather than just the bottom line. Framework agnosticism. Develop framework that are law, industry, and technology agnostic to ensure interoperability and flexibility. Avoid biases towards specific industry, technologies, business practices, or laws. Ensure risk-centric governance. Create governance policy that are centered on risks and align with organizational objectives. Page 69. Key questions to ask. Will the new product fill a gap or meet a specific need? Does it align with organizational principles? And is it fiscally responsible? Does each stakeholder understand the need versus the risks? Does the team understand what the desired outcome is from the AI product? Is there a better way to achieve the desired goals than what is currently proposed? Have you considered risk factors and aligned your governance accordingly? Additional recommendation: create policies for third-party risks. Ensure end-to-end accountability by managing risks associated with third-party interaction and dependencies. Could clarify ownership of AI process output. Establish clear ownership of AI output, especially once a contract or use is complete or terminated. Identify risks and mitigation strategies. Identify specific risks associated with the AI program and work to mitigate them. Determine access and usage. Define who need access to AI program and specific usage guidelines to prevent unauthorized access, or misuse. By implementing this guideline, AI governance professionals can establish a solid framework to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a responsible manner, focusing on reducing risks and maximizing benefit to users and organizational skills. Section 6.3. Establish an AI governance infrastructure. This section covers the following KPI. Determine if you're a developer, deployer, those that make an AI system available to third parties, or user. Understand our responsibilities among companies that develop AI systems and those that use or deploy them differ. Establish governance processes for all parties. 2. Establish and understand the rules and responsibilities of AI governance. People and groups, including but not limited in the Chief Privacy Officer, the Chief Ethics Officer, the Office for Responsible AI, and the AI Governance Committee, the Ethics Board, Architecture, Steering Groups, AI Project Managers. 3. Advocate for AI governance support from senior leadership and tech team by establish organizational risk strategy and tolerance. Develop crucial inventory of AI and machine learning application and repository of algorithm. Develop responsible AI accountability policies and incentive structures. Okay. I guess we're currently in page 70. I guess we're going to stop here for today. Understand AI regulatory requirements. Set common AI terms and taxonomy of the organization. Provide knowledge, resources, and training to the enterprise to foster a culture that continuously promotes ethical behavior. Determine AI maturity level of business function and address insufficiency. Use and adapt existing privacy and data governance practices for AI management. Create policies to manage third-party risks to ensure end-to-end accountability. Understand differences in norms, expectations across countries. Okay, this brings us to the end of today's book reading. Today we are stopping at page 70, and tomorrow we are going to continue with building an AI governance program. For those that are joining us for the first time, my name is Henry Onowale. I'm an AI expert and AI strategist, a responsible AI expert for individuals that are, that wants to pursue a career in artificial intelligence or machine learning. You can reach out to me. For those who wants to probably earn AI certification, you can reach out to me. And for those who are representing organizations who want to drive AI implementation in their organization from the concept level down to the deployment level, you can also reach out to me. And as well as those that are trying to develop AI strategy or trying to choose the right AI technology that will help suit their business, their current business, or help to optimize their current business process, or that will help to solve a particular business problem, you can also reach out to me. Thank you so much for joining our 30-minute book reading on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. Please do not forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Anytime you come live, you can send me a direct message, and after the live you can also put some comment so that we can see, so that we can understand how you're actually following this 30-minute book reading. Want to know what you are learning, want to know what challenges you are having. You can share all of this need with us regarding your journey of artificial intelligence. And please do not also hesitate please also endeavor to share this live on all your social media platforms, from your Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. We also encourage people to create a short video of what they are learning from our daily 30-minute book reading. Please share it and tag me. This is one way we can expand our reach. We can have more audience, joining these daily lives. And please, in any part of the world where you are, you can share this. Even for those that do not understand English, we are also working on some versions where we can have it translated to other languages, and we can have, other people be beneficiary as well. Thank you so much. My name remains Henry Onowale, your AI expert, your AI strategist. I'll talk to you guys soon, and do have a great week and also a blessed day. Talk to you guys soon.